This conference will now be recorded.
In the last class, we are working with the login page and we have completed to basic designing and we need to include the form today. Okay, everyone. So first of all, I will explain that form related functionality in the previous class. Then after I will include here. Okay. Right. What it is doing, everything I will explain. Okay. Right. First, see, scenes login page. This is form.jsx. What is that, everybody? Form.jsx. Observe here, there I am using use state. What is it, everyone? Use state. Why? To declare state related to our particular component. Okay, right, in function component. Box, button, text field, use media query, typography, use theme. From where? MEI material. Edit outline like icons. These are all for icons only. Okay. Then after, this is important. What is this? Form IK. Okay, form IK, from the form IK. This is for form related functionality. Yep, import star as yep. This is also for validation purpose related to form IK. Use navigate to navigate dynamically. Use dispatch to dispatch an action from the Redux. Then after set login method, there I have written a method in the Redux state. Okay, I am declaring there user and token also. Okay, everyone, right. Then after drop zone, then after flex between. Already we have yesterday there. See here, everybody, I am using only one component for two different functionalities. Okay, component is one, page is one, but two different functionalities. So I'm writing that function. What is that? Register schema, login schema. In the register, what is the things I'm entering? First name, last name, email, password, location, occupation, user picture. These are things I am uploading. Understanding or not? What is that? First name, last name, signet, yes. Email, password, location, occupation, picture. In the login, what will you have? Email and password only. So what is the validation I'm writing there? Yep dot string. This is what? String only. Required is required. This is also last time also string. Email also string, but I am applying here email functionality also. If there is any problem, I am writing here invalid email and I am applying here required also. So it is mandatory. If it is empty, immediately it will throw error. Then after yep dot string required colon required. Yep dot string required colon required location also. So everything is string only. See, picture also string only because we will store path. Image will store in this folder only. See it. Image will store here in the SRC. Sorry, in the client public. I will move all the folders to assets. See it. I will move all the folders to assets only. Understand it? For example, wait 1 second. I will show here also. Set the backend. Okay, files I will move to the backend related public slash assets folder. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Okay, right. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Okay, right. In the backend I will move. In the front end I have just normally public slash assets only. There is nothing. LinkedIn, in Twitter. This is the things we have. Okay, right. So now, wait 1 second, kindly. Yes. This is the dummy files I have. What is that, everybody? These are the dummy files I have. Where? In the backend. So I am copying all these files except this Prabhas. Understanding or not? I am keeping in the backend related public assets folder, I am pasting it there. So all the images are available, post related, profiles related images also available. Okay, right. So now this is statical I am pasting, but whenever the user upload that particular path only I will upload. Image I will store in our application only. Okay, not in the database. So these are all saved in the database only. Okay, right. Then after login, what is that? Yep.string email, email validation applying. If there is any problem, invalid email it will show. It is mandatory. Same way, password also. This is what register schema. This is what login schema. Understanding or not? Understand everyone. Right. Then after what is this initial values of register? This schema validation rules. Okay. What is that? Initial values of register. So all this data is empty only. First name related, last name related. And same way, login values also empty only. Okay, everybody. Right. Schema is different. Values are different. Then I am writing here a form. What is that? Name is form. This one only we need to export it. Lambda expression. What I am writing here? Page type. Set page type. What is that? Use state. Login. That means by default, I am writing there in the navigation function also login only. That's what here also I am saving this page type as login. So depends upon this page type, I will display either login or register. So by default, what I am displaying here? Login. Understand everybody? Right. Then after palette, use theme. From the use theme, I'm getting this palette. Use dispatch, use navigate. I'm assigning to different variables. Is non-mobile. What is that? Use media core minimum width 600 px. 600 px onwards, that can be treated as non-mobiles only. That means, what is that? Smartphones, tablets, everything, it will work in the same way. Clear it, everybody? Respond. Is login. If it is login, what is the page type? Is login only. Okay, page type equal to login. The if condition I am writing here. Okay, if condition where I will use, same instructions will be executed. Okay, page type is equal to login. Then I am storing in the is login. Page type is register. I am storing in the is register. Okay, right. First of all, I will complete up to here. Then after, okay, if I explain everything also, it will make you confused. So go to our application, open front end, go to the SRC, go to the scenes, open login, then open this index.jsx, control N, type it, login page only, write there as form.jsx. What is that, everybody? Form.jsx. So first here I am writing as import. Before that, wait 1 second. Const form equal to lambda expression. Export default form. There I am returning parenthesis div less than div slash div. Okay, everybody, right. So now let's write here h1 tag, h1 tag. This is form page. What I need to import here. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. So let's write there import. What is that? Form. From where? From the same file. ./form. Now copy this form and where? Here we need to paste it. So it is compiling. Let it be work. Then you will see where it will come. This is form page. This how it is coming. Wait a second. Here only. Right. In the correct place only we are calling. Okay, everyone. Correct place only we are calling. There is not a problem. So I will copy this entire thing. Okay. I am calling in a wrong place. Inside the form, we need to call after this. After this typography, I need to call here. Okay, right. Now go to the browser. Observe it. See it. Here we are getting. What is that? This is login page. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Successfully we have completed. Okay, everyone. Inside the box only we need to call it. Okay, everyone. So this is completed. Now let's focus on the form. What I need to import? All these things up to here. I will copy. Use state, box, button, text field, user media query, typography, use it. Okay, everybody, right. Edit outline, form IK, yep, use navigate, use dispatch, set login. Set login path we will check once. First of all, go to our application. Go one folder outside. You are finding only scenes. Go again one folder outside. That means two folders outside. There you will find state. So to go out two folders outside, double dot slash, double dot slash. I am writing the state. That means what? Automatically index.js file will come. Okay, set login is working fine. Then after same way, in our application, flex between. What is it, everybody? Flex between. Where it is? Go here. Our form is here. Go one folder outside. What are you finding? Scenes only. What is it, everybody? Scenes only. One folder outside. Again go one folder outside. What are you finding? Components. Slash. And again, what are you finding here in the components? Flex between. What is it, everybody? Flex between. Finding this one. And what I need to write here? Import flex between from. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Okay? Right. Import flex between from this flex between only. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Okay? Right. So this is how we have successfully completed. Okay, everyone? Respond please. Okay? Flex between. This is completed. Understanding right? Respond. Okay. Yes. Then after what I am writing, register schema, login schema, initial value, initial register value, initial values of register, initial values of login. Up to here I am copying and I am pasting on top of this only. What is that? Register schema. By default, first name and everything. I am writing the validations only by using yep. Everything is mandatory, and especially for email, I am applying email validation. If there is any problem, it will display invalid email. And then after login schema. Okay. So there also I am applying the validations. And by default, the register values are empty because user has to give manually. By default, login values are empty because user has to give manually in the forms. Each and every time, check here. What is this? Login page, account result. Edit outlined. Icon hyphen material. Module not found. Edit outlined icon. Icons hyphen material. Maybe it is not there. Wait 1 second. Go to the package.json. Something will miss also. Emotion react. Yes, icons hyphen material we forgot. What is it, everybody? Icons hyphen material we forgot. So open front end in the command prompt. This is the advantage by checking each and everything line by line. Most of the time whenever you are practicing, what happens? We'll execute all the code. We'll write all the code. After that we'll execute so that we don't understand where the problem is. Now see, already I have executed. I'm modifying the code. Whenever there is a problem, immediately it is displaying here. This is the advantage. Okay, everybody. So now right there, npm space install space minus minus save at the rate wait mui slash what is that, everyone? Mui slash material. Yeah, icons icon material. icons hyphen material only. Understanding, right? Okay, everybody, right? If there is any problem also, we will identify immediately. It's taking a little long time. Please wait. Okay, right. See, once this registration functionality, login functionality completed, then only I will upload the videos and files. Okay, everybody, right? I don't know what happened, suddenly it is stuck. Yes, luckily it is installing. Right, it is installed. So now let's go there, check in the browser, see, no problem. Understanding or not, respond everybody. Now it is installed. Safe side, what is the thing I'm doing is, one more time. I will start here, npm start, wait 1 second. Because I have installed a new package, right? Wait. Here I need to accept that. Okay, I did not open. So however it is transferred only, right? Taking too long time. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll do the programming. It's not a problem. Say here, everybody. So up to here it is completed. Okay. Right. So now, what is this page type? Already I have explained. What is that? Default page type is login. So to manipulate this page type dynamically, I'm using here a method called set page type. Palette, dispatch, these things. Is non-mobile, is login. See it? What I'm storing here is login expression, condition. Page type equal to login. In the if condition, instead of writing if a page type equal to login, instead of that, simply we can write there is login. In the if condition, instead of writing their page type equal to register, simply we'll write there is register, because already I am writing here this expression only. Understand it, everyone? Right. Let's copy this, paste here. Okay, right. Maybe. Okay, right. So now this also complete. Okay, right. Then after what I'm doing there is, this is the important function. Okay, everybody, const register. So this is asynchronous method. Why? Because we are using their await methods also. Okay, in order to work with await methods, the parent method must be async. So what is the advantage is, for example, you observe there await I am writing. So then what happens? This, if you want to execute this method, it will wait until this method completes its execution. Understand it, everybody? This saved response.json method will wait until fetch method completes its functionality. Okay, everybody? So in order to work with await method, that parent method must be async. So this is the lambda expression, async values. From where we will get the values? From the form. What is that, everyone? Form. On submit prompts is predefined thing only. Values comma on submit prompts. Okay, right. So what is that? This allows us to send form info with image. So what I'm writing there, form data equal to new form data. Seed values means what? All the data in the forms. All the data in the form controls. First name, last name, email, phone number, everything. Okay, everybody, I'm iterating a loop through it. So whenever you are iterating a loop through it, for let value in values. That means what? Values means what? Array of values. Now I need to hold each and every value independently. That's why I'm writing here a single variable. Value in values. Understanding, right, everybody? In the Java also it will be like that one. Okay, right. Then after what I'm doing, form data dot append value. I am sending this value. This is not this value, and I'm sending here values of value. So values means what? Array. In that values, a single value I'm sending with it is value only. Okay, and to send the picture path, to send the picture, what is the time I'm writing? Form data dot append. I am sending with what? Picture path only. What name? Values dot picture dot name. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Ramya, are you getting my voice? Ramya, is my voice is clear? Yeah, okay, right. So that means what? Values means array of values which contains all the data in the form controls. This is single value in that. Okay, everybody, value comma values of square brackets of value. Then after I am sending with this value dot picture dot name. I am sending with what name? Picture path. Here values of value I am saying with what? Value. So where I am sending await dot fetch. I am not going to use here Axios. Some cases somebody will ask in the real time. So without using Axios, how to work with the REST API? By using fetch method also we can tell. What is that, everybody? Fetch method. In the fetch method we can specify the methods. Put method, post method, get method, all those things specify here. Okay, method name is fetch only, but we can specify the method thing. Understanding or not? Kindly respond. So this entire data, this entire, where are we storing? Form data only. Where it has to go? To this URL. Of course, in my previous application I used 3001, but our application is running on 6001. So in the REST API we need to use here 6001 only. 6001 slash auth. Auth is normal I am writing. Authentic related functionality. So up to whenever you try it is there 6001 or 3001. Okay, it will go to the index.js in the backend. Okay, then after, if any URL is containing auth, I will send it to auth.js in the controllers. In the future, I will write. Okay, in the auth.js also there are so many functions will be there. Register function, login function, like that. So if anything is containing register, I will send it after auth. If anything is containing a register, I will send it to register function. If anything is containing as login, I will send it to login function. Are understanding or not? I will send it to login function. See, 6001 or 3001 means backend folder index.js. Then after auth, that means I will send it to auth.js file. In that auth.js file also, register related data will go to register function. Login related data will go to login function. Clear or not? See to this URL, what is the thing I'm sending? Method as post only. But what I'm sending? Body colon form data. This entire form data, it is containing picture with values. That will go giving as body only. This body keyword. This is method only. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Right. Then after what happens? This fetch method, what happens? This post method, it will send the data and it will get the response also. That response is JSON method. Okay, everybody? Await saved user. See this one. This entire operation I am storing is variable. Then I am converting into JSON method. Okay, this entire operation I am storing in saved user variable. Okay, on submit props dot reset form. That means what? Whenever the user clicks on the submit button, all the data will come there, right? So then what happens? On submit props dot reset form means what? I am deleting the form related data. Once it is submitted, I am deleting the data. Then after what I am doing, if it is saved user, then what I am doing? Set page type as login. That means what? Once the user is registered, I am sending to the login page to login there. Understanding or not? Respond everyone. Then after this is what? Login function. What is that? Async values, same. Email password values. On submit props. So logged in response. What I am doing? Fetch. I am sending to this post method only. And I need to send this entire data like a JSON format. That's why I'm writing here. Container type as application/JSON. Whenever you are sending the data by using the JSON.stringify, by default the server does not accept. So we need to tell the headers as content type. What is that? JSON data. To do this, we need to use this one only. Headers content type application/JSON. Okay. So email colon email, password colon password, like that values. I am converting to JSON format and I'm sending with body. Okay, everybody. So once this is also completed, await logged in response.json. Once it is also completed its functionality, then I'm converting to that result into JSON method and I'm storing in the logged in. Then immediately I'm clearing the data in the form. Okay. So if the user is logged in, what I'm doing? I'm doing dispatch. I am dispatching here what? This is set login method which I declared in the Redux state. I am calling. Then what I'm doing there? Logged in dot user, which whatever the user is login, that logged in dot user. I'm storing where? User only. Logged in dot token, where I'm storing token only. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Then after navigate watch home page. Okay, everyone? Right. Then after what is this? Handles of form submit. See it has sync values on submit. See it. If it is login, I give it login method I'm calling. Whenever I click on the submit button, again there is two things. Okay, I am calling only one method. Add that handle form submit only. But there what I am checking? If that is login, then I will call login method, this one. If it is register, then I will call it as register method. That related values I will send it to the on submit props. Okay, everyone? Right. On submit what I am writing? Handle form submit only. Initial values, what I am sending, if it is login, initial values login. Else, initial values of register. Validation schema also. What is that? If it is login page, login schema. If it is register page, register schema. And values, errors, structure, these are all related to form icon only. These are basic thing we need to use. We should not modify this. Okay, everybody? Right. So no need to worry about this handle on submit, handle submit. This one here I am writing. Okay, right. See it, everybody. This everything I am changing it dynamically. So understand everyone. So display grid, gap 30px, Graded template columns repeats 4. Minimum is 0, maximum is 1 F1, 1 frame. Yes, like this is all related to material only, we cannot, okay, right, no need to worry about that. Theme only. CTR text field, on blur, handle blur, on change. See, values equal to what? Values dot first name. I told right, all the values will store in the values only. Values what? Dot first name. Then after name equal to what? First name. Okay, everyone, respond please. Same way, I am writing it for last name and everything also. This is register. Then after it is login. This is it. See, buttons also. If it is login, I will display as login in middle of the button. Else, I will display as register only. On click, see it here, and change this. Set page step as what is that? If it is login, register, okay, or else login page only. Why? Because whenever I click on the submit button, if it is register page, it has to go to the login because I am setting their login only. Okay, everybody, or else again register only. Okay, right, no need to worry about that. So see here, question mark, don't have an account, sign up here, already have an account, login here. To display this, I am writing here, is login, register. If it is login page, what I will display there? Sorry, this is not the functional, this is not related to buttons, sorry. This is the anchor tag. What is it, everybody? Anchor tag. Okay, everyone, see there, is login. What is that? Set logger, don't have an account, sign up here. That means I will display the register URL. Okay, everybody, else I will display there. Already I have an account means what I will display? Login only. User will click on the either register or login. Whenever he clicks on the register, I will send it to register page. Whenever the user clicks on login, I will send it to login page. Okay, everybody, that's it. This is the form IK. And this URLs we need to configure in the backend also. Okay, everybody, I need to configure in the backend also because this one 6001 auth/login auth/register I need to configure where in the backend also. So tomorrow class we will configure that backend. I will insert these two functions. Definitely it will complete tomorrow. What is that? Register and login. Okay, Friday we will discuss about other topic. The related this only. Then after Saturday we will discuss other one. Okay, everybody, right? So that's it, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay, everyone, right?